Behind the scenes today, here we are in Plant City, Florida. Who is it? Blackstone, Betty right there.
Get ready to cook Todd's Mahi Mahi that he caught.
I can't wait. We're getting a lot of mileage out of the Mahi Mahi, so.
I can't wait. I'm excited.
Who else is over here today? Scott Stevenson, marketing, and everything else at Blackstone. Who is this? Is this Ethan over here?
Yes, it's Ethan.
Blackstone videographer and editor extraordinaire. Is that your title?
Yep.
And who is this? Michael? And what's your official title? Are you, is it still photography, videography?
I think it's like videographer, editor,
audio-visual expert?
Sure, we'll go with expert.
Audio-visual expert.
I know what I'm doing all the time.
Who's over here? Who's over here? Who are these wild stallions?
Hello.
Who's this? This is Kyle, everybody. I know you hear us talking about him all. This is the Kyle.
I'm
and
Kyle.
He's fresh off a late night pancake stack binge.
Not waffles, not pancakes.
At Waffle House. But there's more. Oh yes, wait a minute. Who is this?
Nobody. It's nobody.
He's correct.
Now, what's all the red stuff like the?
Oh, that's my video just showing me what it's focusing on. It's looking at me now. Now turn it back at you.
It's amazing.
I'm ready.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm still here in Florida, believe it or not, on CJ's set, but I have a special guest here today. The one, the only, the Desiree Blackstone Betty. And she's gonna give her take on
Mahi Mahi, Italian style. I love a good fish dish, so I'm gonna make it.
Yes.
Usually I do this dish with like a grouper or a cod or a sea bass on camera because the tears just come down. So
True.
I'll take the pepper, and we only need like a quarter, so I'm doing it very sloppy and neat.
Betty asked me to put a cast iron skillet on the griddle. Lots of people ask us about whether or not you can put pots and pans on the griddle, and you certainly can. You're not going to hurt your griddle top. You can put them right down. Blackstone's brand new 7-inch chef knife, by the way. Killer, right? You like it?
I am obsessed with this thing.
They're great. They're sharp right out of the box. Nice handle.
Garlic and the tomatoes and salt and pepper.
Okay.
Use some herbs.
And then we go, cut.
My adoptive dad is Italian. We canned tomatoes growing up in Pennsylvania. So what's your tomato history?
That's what we do, and I love this smell so much that I buy the wax melts and I buy the hand soap that's called Tomato on the Vine because it just reminds me of my grandfather.
Tomato candles?
Yes, they're wax melts. You put them in the thing, and my house smells like tomato on the vine. It reminds me of family, so I can't.
Great for me, by the way, because this is something I never would have done had I not seen her do it. But now you're going to see me do it probably in the future. So thank you.
So good. That loaded Italian. Change up the flavor of a little bit of what I'm used to.
I'm definitely going to make this again in the future. And speaking of Betty making stuff, make sure you check out her show.
My daughters, my youngest Phoenix Roxanne, my oldest Mila Monroe.
Right there.
Yeah, that's it. My arm is the eventual sleeve will be kind of my family mission statement.
Was this? Usually way more. Yeah. It's usually like at least 100.
Look at this little taste there, guy.
Woo! That's nice.
Ooh, now, why do you go with the pointed chopstick? What's your theory there?
You know, I'm just gonna stab it if I don't get it.
Guten Tag. I love the schnitzel.
On Inception style.
Pot pie in the air fryer because
We're doing a Blackstone live right now. I want to shout out to Rich Testa, who made this sweet Let's Give It a Try mug that CJ bought for me. Got it filled with body armor right now. So Rich Testa, if you're watching, shout out.
Challenge accepted.
so my daughter
Tomorrow, and we're going to be battling it out for the masses. There'll be a sandwich showdown.
So we're getting ready for a special live here. We're doing like a chopped style fun contest. I fully plan on losing, not because I want to lose, but you know, the list of ingredients isn't in my wheelhouse, Nate.
You got it in there. You said you were gonna get it in there.
Everybody has to have a Martin roll, a pepper jelly, a cheddar cheese, and some kind of popcorn. Other than that, it's whatever you happen to grab for. So we'll see what happens. I really don't know. Sweet or savory? I do not have a clue. I would never cheat and bring a recipe like
This one.
some people.
For Betty, a block of cheese. And for average Americans, we have pre-shredded cheese. And then we have a variety of popcorn, which again, I have no idea why we chose these things to be part mandatory.
There are some curveballs. There are some curveballs. Yeah, so potato rolls, mandatory. Pepper jelly, mandatory. Cheddar cheese, mandatory. Popcorn, have to be used. Everything else is open.
Everyone has 30 minutes. I'm going to press the timer, 30 minutes down, and then they all have to finish their sandwiches within that 30 minutes. Or if they don't get a participate.
Oh, I didn't mention that. It's a burger battle.
Yes.
Oh, darn it.
Burger
I was actually thinking pancake for a minute. I forgot about the
No. Yeah, so it's going to be a burger. It has to be a sandwich.
Yes.
Some chili garlic noodles for Todd.
Where's the
We got some
bacon?
bacon for
Somebody
Danny.
bogarted the bacon.
All right. Oh no, Todd grabbed the chili cheese Fritos.
And CJ and I are team New World Griddle order.
Yeah, we
so
are.
even though you know it's
Obviously, superior things are happening over here.
friendly banter,
Yes.
I don't really have a clue what I'm making, but I'm feeling like I need to do some kind of a pico on the fly. Yeah. You know what Nate's rule of pico is? Keep it simple.
Keep it simple,
Keep it
bro.
simple.
Keep it simple.
I gotta wash my hands.
CJ's got to watch it.
All right, some kind of a pico. I'm not sure what the sandwich is going to be like. I just feel like at the end, pico would look beautiful. So we're going to go in with some lemon, a little bit of lemon juice. Next, a little bit of lime. Feel free to grab anything you need here.
Yes,
A little
sir.
bit of lime.
All right, so you got some tomatillos, it looks like.
Yeah, a little bit of pico. This might taste nasty because it doesn't look the best.
And then what are you doing with this sauce?
Whoa, it's robust. And we'll go with a little bit of oil on the cutlets, like so.
We got a ding ding.
Whoa, that's what I'm talking
And
about.
a little more of the tequila
There we go,
lime.
boys. There we go, boys.
I don't have time to drink anything. A little bit of tequila lime on top of the cutlets. Those are gonna cook real quick, Whoa! Look who just showed up on my set, and I'm deathly afraid of amphibians and reptiles. Oh no!
What happened?
There's a frog in there, and I'm afraid of amphibians.
Oh, there it is. You see it right there? Oh, it just jumps at the back.
Where'd he go? He's in the back. Go to the back. Go to the back.
Oh,
No, that's let him go, man.
oh, there he is. There he is.
Here you go, CJ.
Oh! No! The frog! No! Not on my food! And we're gonna use some rice, some Uncle Ben's rice, and some Uncle Ben's rice. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't laugh at me.
No one's laughing. We're only.
But I'm thinking it's just gonna sound good. A bed of Mexican jumping rice.
Okay.
The chicken breast cutlets. It looks like Duke's came to the rescue, everybody. Duke's Mayo there, everybody, if you're watching. I got the Duke's. And we got a couple of these Martin's rolls here. What are these, potato rolls? Griddle is running hot. You're running a little bit hot tonight. Cholula, chili garlic going in the rice. I've never done this before. On that chicken. That's a nice looking char right there. That is a nice looking char. That's our chicken. And we have a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese on top. But wait a minute. I believe we need a little bit of popcorn right there. Right there. Look at that. I mean, you don't get a lot of Southwest. Rick Bayless, the Southwestern chef king of America, he is not putting popcorn on his burgers yet, but I am. We're gonna create a popcorn cheese skirt.
Mind your business there, guys.
Can you see that I'm sweating? All right, popcorn cheese skirt, take one, water, down on the griddle, and
right, where's my cheese?
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Why are you not breaking a sweat, CJ?
I am breaking a
I'm
sweat.
breaking a sweat. And we're gonna open it. We're gonna see what's going on with our popcorn cheese skirt. Popcorn cheese skirt, take one.
Coming in here, boy.
Oh, no.
I think that's the best cheese skirt in the county, right there.
Some cilantro going on the
But hey,
rice.
but you got to be honest. I mean, cheese skirt right there. If they're judging based off of cheese skirts,
All right.
I win.
Let's see this flip in action.
What else are we gonna do here, folks? I think we're gonna take our
Look at that cheese skirt, though.
put that on there.
Needs to be fully seen.
It's like a crunch
Hold on,
wrap. in the
hold
middle
on,
of
hold
the
on, hold on,
burger.
hold on.
Oh, my cheese skirt is falling.
Look
Gotta
at that. That's like
glue it
a
back
cheesy-
together.
It is.
It is very ugly. I'll be honest with you. I don't need to pretend. That looks ugly. We went into the Toven zone today and we came out ugly on the other end. That was amazing.
I'm gonna head back this way, y'all.
That looks good. This late in the game is typically when the guys that are like really good, like Bobby Flay, come over and show off and brag. But I got to be honest with you. No, I think you've got it locked up. I'm coming in. No, I'm coming in dead last. Dead last. And I'm not going to pretend that I'm. Oh, that looks amazing. Look at this. I'm going for broke. I have to salvage this. So we're going to cut a pineapple in two.
Somewhere around here.
We're going to cut a pineapple in two because I'm thinking this is terrible. And at the end, how am I going to salvage this? So I'm thinking if I can somehow quickly gut a
Todd?
if I can quickly gut a pineapple, I don't know. This is so stupid. We'll see what happens. Can you gut this thing? What do we think of that? Candied jalapeno pepper jelly.
1 minute. Are you guys ready over there?
Hey,
Oh,
shut your
please.
mouth, guy.
I was born ready.
Whoa, Todd's got a pineapple over here.
I don't know. Yeah, I do. Hold on.
I don't even think Todd knows what he's doing.
No, I don't.
All right, what you got? Explain us.
I'm creating a
All right,
savory
folks.
heat here.
So we're gonna go ahead
gonna
real
need
quick
another
on
minute,
this.
boys. I'm gonna need you
This
to
is
get away,
late in the
boys.
game. Things are
What is-
ugly.
what is happening?
Do not laugh at me.
Where's
Where's my water
over
go?
here?
Hey, out of here, buddy.
This is the dumbest thing
This
I've.
comes over, laughs, and leaves. Why
Yeah,
you
well, that's what
think
she.
that, CJ?
That's what she should do, because this is pathetic. But it looks pretty now.
No, this is gonna be money, buddy.
And so that is Crystal Hot Sauce, ketchup.
Mustard and a little bit of brown sugar.
Oh yeah. Wait, I'm
Done.
put it
Cheers.
We're officially, all plates are down.
down. Now. Hey.
Wow,
Man.
nobody showed up
Well-
with the recipe.
I know.
Inside here, I took so a top and bottom's obviously Martin's roll. Inside of this gigantic ball of cheese skirt is a flattened out Martin topper.
Yeah. Well, this is what we have. We have prepared a chicken, a boneless, skinless chicken cutlet today with Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning and just a touch of oil, actually a lot of oil, and of course it's on a toasted Martin's roll. Oh, inside, I believe this is where the magic happens. I have a cheese skirt.
That's like sliding open the barn door.
I have a cheese skirt here with encapsulated popcorn, and we have a delicious star fruit tomatillo salsa. Not a lot of people doing that on the circuit these days. Of course, a little bit of pepper jelly and a little bit of guac on top. Now we also have this little pineapple number here, and I call it SpongeBob Goes to Mazatlan. I've cored out a pineapple, but I apparently forgot, left this one open, so this could double as a spoon. You could literally apparently eat it like this. And we have a Southwestern and Mexican rice, if you will. Of course, it's infused once again with Cholula chili garlic and just a hint of lime.
No, Todd, this is actually really good.
It's
The cheese
really
skirt
good.
was
I think
magical.
they all taste
That was good.
Cutest presentation, but you kind of cheated. You cheated.
She came with a menu. What do you think about that?
Tomfoolery.
Yeah.
Shenanigans.
Hey, Danny, what is your milkshake called again?
This is a caramel popcorn with, it's like blended inside there.
It looks delicious. Like if I went to Bahama
With
Breeze,
some bourbon in there.
if I went to Bahama Breeze, this is what I would expect.
Hello, beautiful.
All right, let's see what's going on in here.
CJ.
Oh,
Stella.
hold on.
Well-
Cheese skirt.
CJ has made a claim this could be the next burger craze in America.
Is this your CJ?
It might be.
Todd, can we cut
It smells delicious. The Fritos. The smell of the Fritos. I love it.
What's going on in the middle right there? Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, all that fun stuff. Do you guys have anything else?
TikTok.
Oh, TikTok, sorry.
Oh, cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
And have a cup.
There it is. Got it. All right, cheers, everyone. We'll see you guys next week. Ringing that bell. Cheers, guys. No, ring it.
Ring a ling a ding dong.